He's the owner of Aesthetic Care Med Spa in Leawood, and he's here to talk about treatments people can have without having to go under the knife. He's actually has some before and after pictures of is it someone's face that had a special treatment?
Correct. We brought some pictures of a face, a chin area, and then an abdomen. And this is a new technology that's out right now. What you're seeing here is a before and after of a woman's complete face, and you can see pretty apparently the improvement in the texture and the tension in the skin. You know, she had a lot of laxity, and it's really tightened up. And all done with no downtime.
Okay, before the left, after the right.
Correct. And, you know, even pay attention to just the area around her mouth and the overall quality. She looks quite a bit younger.
What did she get done? This
is a new procedure that's out called Axillus, and it's pretty interesting. It was featured actually a few weeks ago on Good Morning America. They treated Kathy Lee Gifford with 4 treatments, and she lost 2 inches off her abdomen in 4 treatments.
Wow.
It's the first thing I've been in this industry
for. So they really worked on the chin area.
The chin, the full face. You can see how her face just has a lifted appearance.
Yeah.
And you'll see when you go to, I think, the next picture, which is a profile of the chin, and even much more apparent. You can see that area called the submental, which a lot of people get. A little fat there, laxity in the skin as we get older.
That looks like a different person.
It's a very impressive result. It is.
How many treatments do you need? And that, I mean, that is drastic.
That is very drastic. And the protocol that we've seen work best is 4 treatments once every 7 to 14 days. That treatment would take about 20 to 30 minutes. And she could put up makeup immediately after the treatment. There's no downtime with this treatment. Skin will be a little bit red for probably 2 or 3 hours, feel like you have a little bit of a sunburn. But we don't affect the outer tissue at all. We protect the outer tissue with cooling as we denature the fat with radio frequency generated heat.
That's amazing. Here's the abdomen, folks, where you can see this product working there.
And again, it's not perfect. This is not a substitute for surgery, but there's a lot of people who don't want to go under anesthesia, a lot of people who don't want to go under the knife. That's a pretty amazing result.
How many inches did this guy lose?
You know, I couldn't tell you the inches. Just from the look of it, it's significant, as you can tell.
Only 4 treatments.
4 treatments, 1 treatment every 7 to 14 days. This picture was taken 3 months after. Your best results will occur about 3, sometimes out to 6 months after you've had the treatments, because it's your body's response to the treatment.
Does it ever, like, obviously we talk about, you know, you still have to watch your diet and you still have to exercise and all that stuff, but let's say you get the product, you get this, and this is it right here. This is the procedure.
This is the handpiece.
You get it done underneath to get rid of that double chin.
Right.
Does it come back?
Well, there's no guarantee that the fat cells that are there cannot grow exponentially. So there's a responsibility on the client's part, the patient's part, to take care of themselves. But what we recommend, everything we do in this anti-aging aesthetic business is not permanent, because you're going to age, your body changes. So if you do a series of 4, we get the result we're looking for. Maybe once every 3 to 6 months, you do 1 treatment as a maintenance. And that seems to work very well.
And this is a hard area. I mean, I've got a double chin right here, you know, and I'm a relatively skinny guy, but this is a hard area for people to lose that excess fat.
It's a very hard area, as is you've seen people in very good shape that just can't lose a little bit around the abdomen, love handles, women with saddlebags. And this is really designed for people who have areas of fat that just don't respond well to
So how does it work? Really quick.
This handpiece here delivers radio frequency, and we make small little circles as we monitor the temperature of the skin. If we get your fat to 46, 47, 48 degrees Celsius, it denatures. It pushes into the tissue. Your body flushes out that with your lymphatic drainage system, and also causes a thermal injury, which causes a contraction of collagen, so you get the tightening of the skin. Because if we just work on the fat and you have loose skin, it won't be any good.
If you want to get more information about this product, it is 913-338-5476. We do appreciate it for sharing those pictures with us, and we'll be right back, everyone. Stay tuned.